Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download manual lip sync tools for voiceover editing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download manual lip sync tools for voiceover editing, start by choosing a reliable software option. Research various software that specializes in lip sync tools. Popular choices include Adobe Audition, Reaper, and Syncala. Visit the official website of the software you've selected. Look for the Downloads or Get Started option on the homepage. Select the version that is compatible with your operating system. For most software, this will include options for Windows or Mac. Click on the download link to start the process. Depending on your browser settings, you might need to confirm the download. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file on your computer. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the software. Make sure to read and accept any license agreements or terms of service. Choose your preferred installation settings, such as installation directory. When prompted, select any additional features or plugins you want to install. After the installation is complete, launch the software from your Applications folder. Some software may require you to register or create an account on first launch. Enter any necessary information and follow the steps provided. After registration, explore the user interface to familiarize yourself with its layout. Look for tutorials or guides provided within the software to understand how to use the lip sync tools effectively. If available, check the community forums for tips and tricks from experienced users. Now that you have successfully installed the lip sync tool, you can begin using it for your voiceover editing projects. Always remember to save your work frequently during the editing process. Keep your software updated by checking for updates regularly on the official website. Explore any additional features that may enhance your editing workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.